The parody you're about to watch is an account of the tragedy which happened to five youths, in particular Samantha and her nerd brother Bob. It's all the more funny that they were young. The events of that day were to lead to America's most bizarre parody.
Man, I can't believe I broke my leg right before our trip. Wait, where are we going again? It doesn't matter, it's the 70s, probably Woodstock or some hippie festival. I mean, that does make sense. You ever been inside a slider house? It really stinks in there. Can we talk about something else? Okay. Want to buy a picture? 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 Hey, want to buy a picture? What about you? Oh, take some gas, please. We ain't got none. What? This is a gas station. How do you not have gas? I mean, literally. It's 70s. What do you expect? Hey, maybe these guys have some gas. Larry, where are you? Welcome back to Heck's Kitchen. I'm Gordon Ramsay, and I'm gonna judge these people's food and make fun of them. First up, Ozzy Osbourne. Ozzy, I will not eat a bat for the last time, Ozzy. Alright, let's see who's next. Oh, Leatherface, quite an exquisite meal you got here. You call it a deep-fried, Larry? Very original. You see, this is what a real meal looks like, people. Mr. Leatherface, this isn't what I meant when I said we should hang out. Hey, where's everyone going? They're coming from a van outside, just so you know, Mr. Leatherface. Where are they? Ah! I will not serve you a deep-fried bat head. Next! There's the guy with the chainsaw and I'll be right back. Fear the broom! Fear the broom!
Someone has been in my room and taken my beers.
Hey Ozzy, you get to kill the girl.
Oh no.
What the heck's going on out here? Is that a guy in a chainsaw?